Ouch! Ah, this is going to ruin my Sunday. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and I'm Ashi Gupta, and in today's video we are going to do something with our hair. And I basically bought this hair curling wand from Amazon in my cousin's wedding. Like I bought it in November and this time I already did a blunder with my hair in one of the events. I have shown it on my video also. I tried to curl my hair using a straightener for the very first time in that event, and it turned out to be a disaster. So इसी reason की वजह से I did not try anything new. And this is a curling wand that I bought. I don't know much about it. I just saw it on Amazon and ordered it for the event, but end up not using it. Typical me. Anyways, today we are going to curl our hair using this and see how it goes. Also, my hair are not freshly washed. It's like second day of my hair. Like I washed my hair on Friday and today is Sunday. I have not applied any oil or did any workout in between, so these are as it is. And first I'm going to blow dry my hair little bit so that वो थोड़े से उनमें थोड़ा सा bounce आ जाए, थोड़े से fluffy हो जाए. Sorry, I'm not blow drying them. I'm just running a dryer through the hair so that they become a little fluffy and not too flat. This side is looking more voluminous and this side is looking kind of undone and flat. I guess they are good to go. Before starting the process, I'm going to apply this heat protectant by Be Blunt. It's Heat Shot Heat Protectant Hair Mist for all hair types. I bought it a long time ago but never used it because I generally don't use heat on my hair. And its manufacturing date is July 2023 and it expires in 24 months, like in July 2025. It has expired an year back. Should I be using it? I guess it's okay. Let's go ahead. I'm just holding it like this. Securing it with a pen. I ordered nice aesthetic hair clips from Savannah, and today I needed it, but I was not able to find them. ऐसा ही होता है मेरे साथ हमेशा जब आई हैव एवरीथिंग लाइक हर चीज होती है मेरे पास, लेकिन जब मुझे जरूरत नहीं होती है तब तक द मोमेंट आई नीड समथिंग आई एम अनेबल टू फाइंड इट. मैंने जब से ये ऑर्डर करी आई हैव नॉट इवन ट्राइड इट. लाइक अगर ये खराब हुई या वर्क नहीं करी तो आई डोंट इवन हैव अ रिटर्न पीरियड नाउ. So this is the wand. This is how thick it is, and this is the tongue, and this is how it's working. And it has this button. I don't know if you can see it. It has this button to ऊपर and नीचे it, I guess, to turn it on and off. And बिना डिले के इसको ट्राई करते हैं बिकॉज इसको बहुत ऑलरेडी बहुत डिले हो गया है. मतलब मैं ये वीडियो बनाने के लिए ऑल्सो इट्स वेरी लाइट वेट प्रोडक्ट. इसकी क्वालिटी बहुत लाइट वेट है. आई डोंट नो फॉर हाउ मच आई बॉट इट. आई गेस आई बॉट इट फॉर okay, there is a red light in it. Can you see the red light? I guess you can see the red light here. Okay, the red light is here and I guess it's heating. Okay, so it's on, and when you do this you can see the red light, right? And I guess I should give it few minutes, and while it's heating I'm going to apply the what do we call it, heat protectant in my hair. Okay, this is the expired heat protectant that I'm going to use now. Fragrance तो अच्छी है आ रही है इसकी. I hope it doesn't ruin my hair. How to know if it's heated or not? Okay, I'm feeling little heat when I'm bringing my hand near it. I guess I need to be very careful. तो बालों को लेके मुझे नहीं आता. I'm doing it for the very first time. तो यहाँ पे I have just नहीं open it. I did it wrong. I have to just open it. I have to hold it like this and then do like this. and I guess I let it be here for like कितनी देर छोड़ना है इसे? I don't know. Okay, so थोड़ा सा तो कर्ल हुआ है, like थोड़ा सा तो हुआ है. I guess I did not do it right. I don't know. I need to do better. मेरा तो हाथ भी सेट नहीं है ना. I'm feeling so scared taking it near my face कि मेरे face पे ही ना लग जाए. Okay, I'm hearing some char की sound. I guess it's happening. I don't know how to know if it's happening or not और इसको कितनी देर रखना है. But I guess देखते हैं थोड़ा सा. I guess ये पूरा टोन के अंदर जाना चाहिए, right? But yeah, it's happening. It's actually happening. मैं एक बार थर्ड ट्राई करती हूँ सही तरीके से. आई गेस सारे बाल टोंग के अंदर जाने चाहिए. ऊपर रखते हैं आई गेस. डूड आई एम फीलिंग सो स्केयर्ड. नहीं होगा भाई. आई डोंट नो हाउ गर्ल्स कर्ल देयर हेयर. मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है. हाँ क्या. हाउ आउट. आई गेस दिस इज द राइट वे टू डू इट. एंड मैं इसको थोड़ा सा और कर्ल कर रही हूँ ताकि ऊपर तक बालों को ले जाए. आई थिंक आई एम डूइंग इट रॉन्ग. देखते हैं. Okay, so now it has happened better. That was tiring and that was just one section. I guess अगर मैं इसको दूसरे तरीके से ट्राई करूँ, if I put it here, okay, and then I roll it ऊपर. So this was easier. I guess I need to get habitual of this. छोड़ दूँ क्या? कुछ तो हुआ है बट ये सिर्फ नीचे से हुआ है, ऊपर से कुछ नहीं हुआ है. I guess I need to be. I guess this is the correct way जो पहले करा था हमने. मेरे तो बहुत टाइम लेगा यार. मेरे पास तो इतना टाइम ही नहीं है. 2 घंटे लग जाएंगे इसमें तो. इट्स ऑलरेडी 15 minutes मेकिंग दिस वीडियो. आई हैट्स ऑफ टू द गर्ल्स जो रेगुलरली स्टाइल करते हैं. लाइक सीरियसली आई एम फीलिंग लिटिल हीट नियर माई ईयर. आई गेस इट्स हैपनिंग नाउ. आई शुड. भाई मैं अपना हाथ में जला लूँ. ओके कुछ तो हो रहा है. आई डोंट नो ये ऐसा ही गलत होता है या मैं गलत कर रही हूँ. आई रियली डोंट नो बट कुछ तो हो रहा है. आई थिंक आई शुड टेक ब्रॉडर. इसके भी 2 सेक्शन करने पड़ेंगे. दिस इज सो टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. अच्छा है मैंने शादी में ट्राई नहीं करा था इसे, वरना तो मैं पहुंच ही नहीं पाती. मैं ऑलरेडी लेट पहुंचती हूँ हर फंक्शन पे. शादी की किसी. भाई फैशन नीड्स एफर्ट. आई एम रोलिंग इट मोर क्लोजर टू माई रूट्स. आई डोंट नो समथिंग हैपेंड टू माई राइट आई. मेरी राइट आंख से पानी आ रहा है. बाल कहाँ से आ रहे हैं यार. दिस इज गोइंग टू ruin my Sunday. दिस इज गोइंग टू टेक माई होल संडे. आई डोंट नो. मुझे भी एक और वीडियो बनानी है इसके बाद. फटाफट करने की कोशिश करते हैं. Yeah, I'm feeling the heat and I guess it's done. हाँ. Okay, कुछ it's happening. Okay, these 3 sections are done and दिस इज पेंडिंग, अब इसको करते हैं. Let me show you a closer view. So first we are doing this, and then this is what we are doing, and then we are rolling it up again so it's more closer to roots. It's hot. It's hot. I guess it's done now. Ouch! My god, आज तो. So this is the one side of my hair, and I guess इसको एक I don't know what to do about it. इसको इसमें सिक्योर करते हैं, हम ऊपर वाला सेक्शन खोलते हैं. That's very tiresome यार, मैं कैसे करूँगी यार. भाई लोग कैसे करते हैं, लाइक वही नहीं पता यार. I'm going a little fast now because I don't have all day for it and I never realized कि इसमें इतना टाइम लगेगा. Ouch, मेरा हाथ ही जला रहा है ये तो. I don't know क्या सोच के मैंने ये खरीदा था because it's clearly not a one man job. हो भी तो मेरे से नहीं हो रही है. वो टेम्परेचर सेटिंग्स नहीं है क्या? Okay, now it's getting better. I guess I'm getting the grip of it. Can you see it's better? So let's try to speed up the process. Not bad actually for the first time, I guess. Let's see how it goes. Initially I was very disappointed, but now I'm very much excited कि मैं कैसी लगूंगी इस लुक में. Can you see थोड़ा सा redness? Second mic. It's 3:54 p.m. Sunlight is going to be. I'm getting so impatient at the moment क्योंकि पकड़ के बैठने के टाइम we cannot do anything except listen to music. I don't know if I'm supposed to do it, but it's been like 6 months since I got my hair rebonded, so I guess it's fine. So the curling is done. My whole section is curled, and this is how my hair look. And this is how I look with curly hair. I have never done my hair like this curly. I have rolled them thoda bahut, but not curled them like this, such dense curls. And I don't know how I'm going to look. Now I'm going to spray some setting spray and comb them out. So this is the setting spray I have, and I think it's also expired because this is also expired because I bought them together. So it's very sticky. Like it's sticky. I don't know if it's going to make my hair sticky. I guess now I should comb my hair. I guess I should not comb them but run my hand instead. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Let me try to comb it. Thoda sa. Okay, so it has opened like this. Okay, not bad, I guess. They are just getting stuck so much. I've opened the curls a little bit. And this is how I'm looking. क्या हो रहा है ये? I guess I shouldn't be opening it. I should just let them I think I need to apply some serum to settle them down. Now I realize how difficult it must be for people with curly hair to comb their hair, like they're getting tangled so much. I'm still not able to decide if I like it or not because I'm a straight hair girl, and I'm thankful that I did not try it in my cousin's wedding because I wouldn't have liked it with my outfits. They have gotten very complicated. Okay, this is how it's looking in this side partition. No, I think I like the center one more. So the conclusion is I'm not going to do the full curly hair look again. I might use the wand for doing, loose curls like from the length of my hair, for the length of my hair, but not going all out with the curls. This is not my thing. And you guys let me know in the comment section if you like the straight hair look more or the curly hair look more. And this is about the video, and I'll see you in the next one.